boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have DeclanMcKenna with Mulholland's Dinner and Wine. And what else can you ask for dinner and wine? So we have this fun little song which I would play with a capo here on first fret and use the three chords D, E, and the C sharp minor. So let's do that together. Set your capo there on first and we'll go over the chords. We have the D first, like I said, and it's open D, second G, third B, and second E. That's the first one. We need to learn the E, and that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is C sharp minor. So you bar the fourth fret there. You don't have to bar the last E string if you don't want to. And then you need to add a 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And there we have the chords D, E, C sharp minor. And the chord progression from this song here, from the beginning until the very end, will be D, E, C sharp minor, and back to D. It starts and ends on D there, so it's a 4-chord progression there. So we need to learn the strumming here. So let's start with the first D here, and that will be 4 downs is 1 round. So that's what I would choose for this song. So I emphasize the third down. I play on the bass strings for all the other downs, but the third down I'll go down and hit the last strings down there, the E, B, G, depending on what chord you're holding. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass, like that. All right. So it's very simple. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, and the chord progression will be, like I said, D2, E2, C sharp minor 2, and D2. And you do that all over again. A couple rounds will be Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Mulholland's Dinner and Wine. So yes, enjoy guys, and hope to see you here very soon. Play tuned.